Hi, and welcome to the QBD Vision tutorial on control. As you well know by now, QBD Vision structures your data to allow you to aggregate, organize, connect, and track information throughout the entire life cycle of process development. The control strategy you deploy plays a key role in ensuring that the CQAs are met and hence that your QTPP is realized. QBD Vision does that by linking control methods directly to each characteristic of your product, allowing you to assess and remedy gaps and conflicts at each phase. Let's take a look. Click on the Control tab and then click Add. Here you will name your control method, choose its category, type, and compendial standard from the drop-down boxes provided. If you don't recall these abbreviations for compendial standards, we've defined them here for you in the tooltip. Next, add a description, the equipment used to perform your control method, and any source documents that you might have. Moving down to the method development section, here you can define the supplier performing the test, the status, and whether or not it is a stability indicator. Once all of your suppliers have been added to QBD Vision, they will show up here in this section in the drop-down box. And once again, you can link any external references or directly upload any source documents that apply to your method development. Once your control methods are added to your project, you will then be able to link them to the acceptance criteria section in your FQA. Let's take a look at one. Here in peptide assay, we scroll down to the acceptance criteria section and we find where control methods would be if they'd been linked. It's important to note that you likely will not know all the information when you start your project. So enter what you know now and then add to the record as you learn more over time. Once a control method is linked to an FQA, you can then generate a control strategy report for each of those FQAs. That would look like this. Likewise, you can link control methods to a process parameter. Here I've opened temperature and I've scrolled down to the acceptance criteria section, and again you will find control methods here. And once again, a control strategy report is available on each of your unit operations and looks like this. Thank you for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.